Hello friends, welcome here or welcome back to another video. I hope you are all doing well and enjoying the season so far. Springtime has been full of wonderful, mundane moments. The joy I have felt this season has been found in tiny moments that some may find boring, but I have found comforting, tender, and fulfilling. Throughout this season, I feel called to recognise even the smallest of changes. Spring brings such a vibrant and sudden change of scenery. It is full of life and freshness, so much so that nature does most of the hard work and I can just sit back and find comfort in what it offers. Nature is the biggest gift, always, but especially with the blossoms and flowers, the new green shoots and leaves, and the vibrant birdsong. I've also found myself at home among stories and books. Reading has not just been a place of escapism this month, but a place for deeper understanding and connecting with myself. Whenever I find myself in a mental slump, a crossroad, or just in need of not being at the centre of my inner world, I can always turn to stories. They have taught me so much about other people and about myself, as well as the power of our imaginations. I come back time and again to painting, and the meditative quality it has for me is unlike any other. I came across this blank puzzle a while ago in a shop and wanted to paint it as a gift. It didn't come out perfectly, but I put aside an hour to just paint something joyful and fun and hope for the best. This silly woodland design brings me so much joy, and I can't wait to give it away as a gift to someone I love deeply. Though there have been a few difficult, disappointing, and upsetting things in my life recently, I have been overwhelmed by the gratitude I feel for the little things. In times of darkness, it makes the tiny pockets of light even more luminous and beautiful. Thank you for being here, friend. Take care, and I will see you soon in another video. Goodbye.